Emma, give me this dress. No, it's my dress, Jannie. Don't run away. It's my dress. No, Emma, I saw it first. It belongs to me. No, I saw it first, Jannie. No, Emma. Hold on, Jannie. What is it, Emma? Jannie, we both saw this dress at the same time. If you want the dress, you have to win the challenge. Huh? What's the challenge? Whoever matches the dress with the princesses first wins. That's cool, Emma. Go change. Okay, Jannie. I hope I win the challenge, guys, because the dress is so pretty. Here's the dress, Jannie. Okay, yeah, over there. Okay. Let the challenge begin. Okay, Emma. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. This is awesome, guys. I think the pink dress belongs to Aurora. And I think the green dress belongs to Ariel. Awesome. I'm done, Emma. Me too. Wow. Let's check, Jannie. We did everything correct, and we finished at the same time. But who will win? It's mine, Jannie, because I saw it first. No, it's mine. No, it's mine.
Hello, guys.
Hi.
Huh? What are you guys fighting here?
We're fighting for this dress. It's mine. Mine.
Huh? Stop fighting, guys. That belongs to Wendy.
Huh? How do you know?
Because I just got this one for Wendy. Give it to me.
Okay.
You guys messed up the dress. I need to iron it. But hold on. Why are you guys fighting for the dress? It not belong to you guys.
Sorry, Auntie. We won't do it anymore. We promise.
That's okay, guys. But do you guys like this dress?
Yeah, we love it. It's so beautiful.
Really? It's so beautiful, huh? But that's one the last one in the store.
So we cannot get it? We're so sad.
Don't be sad, girl. I remember Auntie Joyce is a tailor. She can help you guys to make this dress.
Really, Auntie? Thank you. That's good information. Let's go to see Auntie Joyce. Okay. Bye. Hi, Auntie Joyce.
Hi. What are you guys doing here?
We want new long dresses, Auntie Joyce. Can you make it for us?
The long dress?
Yeah.
Sorry, I don't think I can help you guys.
Huh? Why not, Auntie Joyce? You're a tailor.
Yeah, I'm a tailor, but I have to finish all these dresses for my customers. Look, they're not done yet.
Huh? I got an idea. Can we help you? Yeah.
Do you guys think you can help me? Then you have to pay a lot of attention.
Yeah. We'll pay attention. But can you make the dress for us? Please?
Yeah, if you guys help me, then I can make the dresses for you.
Yay!
Emma, can you help me hang these, please?
Okay.
Hey, Jannie, can you help me iron this, please?
Okay.
Awesome.
I'm done, Emma. Can you help me hang this? Okay.
I'm done with this dress, guys. Can you help me iron and hang it up, please?
No problem, Auntie.
Awesome.
I'm done, Emma. Okay, let me hang it up.
Awesome.
We're done, Auntie.
Good job, guys. Now I'll help you make the dress. Who wants to go first?
Me.
Okay, I'll take your measurements. Emma, can you help me?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Shoulder is 11.
Okay.
The arm is 14.
Okay.
And her height is 22. Okay, you're done now, Jannie. Now I have to do the measurements for Emma. Emma, can you come here, please?
Okay. My turn.
Okay. So her back is 10.
10.
Her height is 23.
I got everything, Auntie Joyce.
Okay, guys. Now you have to choose your fabric.
Okay. I want blue. And I want pink.
Okay, can I have the fabric, please? I'll make the dress right now.
Here you go.
Thank you. I'll make the dress right now.
Okay.
Now I will cut the fabric.
Awesome!
Wow! Auntie Joyce is so professional!
Oh, thank you guys.
I hope our dress will be pretty. Yeah!
Hello guys, check it out.
Wow! So pretty! Can we try it now, Auntie?
Sure.
Thank you!
I hope the dress will fit them, guys. I'm so excited too.
Auntie, check it out!
Wow, you guys look amazing. Can you spin around?
Okay! I really like this dress, Auntie Joyce. Me too!
Wow, you guys look beautiful.
Thank you!
But a princess needs her crown. Here you go.
Wow!
Ooh, you guys look like real princesses now. What do you guys think about their dress? Give us a comment.
Thank you for watching our video. Hope you guys enjoy our show. Please remember to subscribe our channel and